Hey lovelies, here's a tip on how you can restore your stripped eyelashes. You don't want to miss on this one. How we're gonna take this, much cleaner, glue is gone, so yeah, watch to the end. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no sagging with you, you know you my plug and I can't shake this habit, no. First of all, you want to dip the lashes into like lukewarm water, nothing that has gotten to a boiling level, for like 5 minutes, nothing more than that, and you let it sit. You can proceed to take the glue whenever it has soaked enough, because that way it's easier. Or if you prefer, you could have taken the glue right off the bag before you put it into the water, but whichever way you find convenient for you. This way, before you put into the water or after. And whatever you do, hold it gently when taking off the glue, because the strip that is also holding the lashes extension, the glue is resting on it, so you have to take extreme care when pulling out the glue or dirt or anything like that. And you do that, and yeah, it's clean. And you proceed to do the next the same way. Gently, be easy on it. Yeah, just take good care. And another thing is, whenever you're wearing your strip eyelashes, be careful not to like have oil-based products rubbed on it. Let's say skincare, body oils. The weight can really, contribute to it damaging quite quickly, tangled, or just overall frizziness, and then it could just be stone hard, very firm in the air when you're moving, which is not a good look. So yeah, you just keep doing that until you can successfully take off as many that you can. So when you're done, you can take it out of the water. You're on your index finger, backwards. We're keeping it in this way so that we can sweep it down in a shape. You can have that shape once more. We don't want to leave it like super straight, so you rest it on your finger this way. And you just sweep it down, and yeah, you can touch the ends to help with the shape as well. And you just rest it in a good position. And you take the other, rest on the index finger, sweep it down with the spoolie, sweep it down, sweep it downwards, just like that, gently. If you can still be sweeping and like take off some glue, get at it, and then repeat and drop it. So yeah, you let this air dry whichever way you want it, and it's ready for use.